everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm Nili from Gilafruit Company. Today I'm here to talk about how to storage dry garlic in refrigerator. Storing garlic in refrigerator is a specialist matter. Engineers of Gilafruit uses modern equipment, can store garlic for export up to 6 to 8 months in the best quality and condition. Dry garlic, except March and April, the rest of months are available. And we have packaging of dry garlic in 2 kilograms to 22 kilograms. You can order and we fix them with your order. Thank you for watching this video. You can order your register and message me for more information. Thank you, like and subscribe. Bye.